Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a passkey to your Amazon account. So let's begin. First, go to the official website, make sure you are on the correct account. Then over here in the upper right menu, click on your profile that shows account and lists. Just click on that, don't mind the uh, drop down. Then over here you have various options. Choose login and security. Then you will go to this web page. Sometimes Amazon might require you to re-enter your password or require a code from your email or phone number. So once that's done, you will see this page. And over here is the passkey option. Sign in the same way you unlock your device by using face, fingerprint, or PIN. So once you click on setup, and over here, setup again, you can either set up a code using your Windows security or Windows Hello, facial recognition as mentioned earlier, or fingerprint. Okay, then just like setting this up for your Google or Gmail account. Just make sure to confirm, and once that's done, Amazon will automatically save the changes for you. So that's it. That's how you can successfully add a passkey. I hope you found this video very helpful.